Hi everyone, so this is another video on problem solving that involves temperature. Now earlier on we learned that any physical property of a body that varies linearly with temperature can serve as a measure of the temperature itself. So specific to this given problem, we are given that in a mercury in glass thermometer, the length of mercury thread is actually 2 cm at 0 degrees Celsius. So therefore, specific to this problem, the mercury length is the physical property of the body that varies linearly with temperature, and hence we'll use the mercury length as a measure of temperature itself. Other given additional materials are the mercury length is 18 cm when temperature is 100 degrees Celsius, and we also need to calculate the length of the mercury thread when this thermometer is placed in a room which has a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. So first things first, linear relationship, get a graph out, and the graph is actually mercury length over temperature. So one coordinate given is 2 cm at 0 degrees Celsius. So get the first coordinate out first. The other one is 100 degrees Celsius and the length is 18 cm. And since it's a linear relationship, we know that it has to be a straight line graph. And hence, connect the two coordinates together with a straight line. And then locate the temperature at 30 degrees Celsius along this straight line and let the unknown length be L theta. Once you have these three coordinates along the straight line, we just label them A, B, and C. And then gradient AC equals gradient AB. So now it goes back to the very basic, which is gradient. Because the gradient at every point along a straight line has to be equal to each other. So gradient AC is equals to L100 minus L0 over 100 minus 0. Gradient AB will be L theta minus L0 over theta minus 0. That's because your L100 is the mercury length when temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. L0 is the mercury length when temperature is at 0 degrees Celsius. And L theta is the mercury length when temperature is at theta. Substitute in the values, you get 18 minus 2 over 100 minus 0, which is equals to L theta minus 2 over theta minus 0. And through a series of manipulation, you get L theta equals 6.8 cm. So notice I didn't dwell too much on the mathematical part here. You're supposed to be very fluent in it. And that's how we get the answer. L theta equals 6.8 cm.